Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy JTV Juice. Today we got a new type of video for y'all. It's an unboxing video of my Samsung UHD monitor. UR55 I think is the actual code for it. But yeah, without further ado, it's gonna be a quick, simple video. I'm not a professional unboxer. My videos will get better in the future, but this is what y'all gonna do for right now. Alright, let's get into this shit.
Oh my god, what is this?
Today it's going to be going on my streaming setup, and this is going to be used with the lid closed on my MacBook. It looks kind of shitty now. It's probably going to look shitty afterwards, but we getting back into this damn unboxing. I'm gonna do a separate video on my streaming setup after I get everything together. I got like 3 more pieces coming in the mail, new microphone, and some other stuff I forgot. I think I unboxed this upside down because every other unboxing video I looked at, this stuff was on the bottom and the monitor was on the top. But I don't think it's gonna make a difference. The shit still coming out of the box. The first thing I took out was the stand. The second thing I'm taking out is a bag of goodies, I'm gonna say. HDMI cable in there, power supply, and some manuals / warranty information. Take this up next. Oh shit, what's this? Okay, so this is the connector to the monitor and the stand, or another piece of the stand. And this is the monitor. This is a 27-inch on my desk currently. I have a, oh man, it's kind of light, but on my desk currently I got a 27-inch. I think I said 27-inch, but this is a 28-inch monitor, 4K UHD. I got a 1440p monitor on my current desk, and that's what I use the game off of, like my Xbox One X. That's what I'm going to be using the game off of on my next-gen consoles. I will be getting the PS5 and the Xbox Series X, the big one, not the small one. And basically, I'm about to take my streaming setup to a whole nother level. Hopefully y'all gonna be along for a ride. Alright, I'm gonna put this camera down and actually get everything set up. So, assembly is pretty easy. I just like slid the separate arm piece into the little slot that was open, and then you just tighten it up with a simple Phillips head screw, or you can use the attached little, I don't know what this is called, but yeah, it helps. I'm doing this with one hand too. Almost got it tight. Alright, seems to be tight. Also, the back of this has cable management, which is about to be a big thing for me because that's what I'm working on next in my setup. And this is where you connect the base to the, you just slide that shit in. Oh, yeah, you just slide it in. Oh shit, I want to break this shit on camera. Oh shit, alright. Alright y'all, so got it set up finally. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. For reference, this is my HP Omen 1440p gaming monitor. It's 27 inches, and this is 28 inches. Like, for some reason I thought it was gonna be bigger, but the monitor form factor make it looks like it's the same size, but it's a whole ass inch bigger. Alright, so y'all seen the unboxing video, y'all seen the slight preview of the setup and where I plan on going with it. If you like the content, please like. If you want to see the future videos, subscribe and hit the bell. If you have any questions about anything that y'all slightly seen in my setup and about anything that I plan on doing to the setup, comment box down below. Everything else is just basically about to come together. I think the last package I'm waiting on right now is my microphone and my boom arm. Everything else I got in stock. I got a video dropping tomorrow. I got a video dropping the day after that. and hopefully my mic stand or my mic boom arm and the microphone will be in by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. That way I can drop those videos, and basically we about to take off. We about to go. I'm going to the moon like Future said. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and we gone.